2026 is the perfect year to start being smart with your money. And don't worry, being frugal doesn't mean being cheap or boring. It just means making better choices so you can save more, spend less on things you don't need, and still enjoy life. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to have money for fun things while others don't, it's mostly because of habits. Today, I'm going to share 8 simple habits you can start in 2026 that will help you save money, avoid stress, and even build real wealth. Make sure you stay until the end because the last habit is super powerful and most people forget about it. Before we start, I have a quick question. Do you ever feel like your money disappears fast and you don't even know where it went? If that happens to you, type yes in the comments. You're not alone, and we're going to fix it together. The first habit is to pause before buying anything. Most people spend money without thinking because they feel excited, bored, or pressured by friends. The smart way is to wait a little before you buy. Maybe 24 hours or even a few days. Ask yourself, do I really need this or do I just want it? Most of the time you'll see that you don't need it at all. This habit alone can save you a lot of money. Stick with me because the next habit builds on this one. The second habit is deciding where your money goes instead of just spending without thinking. Budgeting doesn't have to be scary. The key is to spend money on what really matters to you and cut out the things that don't. If you love video games or snacks, spend on those, but don't waste money on things you don't care about. When you do this, you're in control of your money. If this makes sense so far, hit the like button. It helps the channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. The third habit is finding small ways to save money every month. Tiny amounts add up fast. Check for subscriptions you forgot about or apps you don't use. Even saving $10 here or $15 there can make a big difference over a year. The best part? When you start noticing where your money goes, it's easier to make smart choices automatically. Coming up next is a habit that stops you from spending too much when you make more money, so keep watching. The fourth habit is not spending more just because you earn more. Many people fall into this trap. They get a raise, and suddenly their phone, clothes, or even their car get fancier. Frugal people wait before upgrading. They save the extra money or use it for goals instead. This doesn't mean never buying nice things. It just means buying smartly. Comment if this ever happens to you. The fifth habit is buying things that really matter, not just to look cool. Lots of people spend money to look rich instead of actually being smart with money. Expensive stuff might impress friends for a while, but it won't make you richer. Think, does this help me, or does it just look nice? This habit helps you make better choices and saves a lot in the long run. Keep watching because the next habit makes saving easy. The sixth habit is making systems for your money. Instead of relying on willpower, set things up so your money moves automatically. Save money as soon as you get it, invest a little, and pay your bills on time without thinking about it. When your money works in the background, it's easier to save and less stressful. If you've ever tried to save whatever is left at the end of the month, you know that rarely works. Systems fix that. The seventh habit is learning to say no. This can be hard at first. Saying no to expensive treats, gifts, or outings with friends feels awkward. But every yes to something unnecessary is a no to your future goals. Real friends will understand. This habit protects not just your money, but also your confidence. If this makes sense, share this video with someone who struggles to say no. Finally, the eighth habit is remembering why you're being frugal. Saving money can feel hard if you don't know why you're doing it. Maybe you want to buy something big, travel, or just feel safe about money. Whenever you're tempted to spend, think about your reason. It will help you make smart choices without feeling like you're missing out. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. Here's a quick question. Which of these habits will you start first in 2026? Comment below. I read every comment. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, share it with a friend, and follow the channel for more tips to save money, spend smart, and enjoy life without stress. More videos are coming, and you won't want to miss them.